Hello! You wanted to know how to make objects bigger and smaller in The Sims 4? Your wish is my command. The keys for this resizing cheat are not the same for everyone. It depends on what language your keyboard is made for. So let's start with English. First, you have to select the object, and while it is selected, you hold down Shift and press the right square bracket key to make it bigger, and the left square bracket key to make it smaller. Unfortunately, this doesn't work for me because I have a Norwegian keyboard. So I have to press Å to make it bigger and backslash to make it smaller. If none of these keys work, you might have a keyboard for another language. But I found a website that might have the information you are seeking, so I'll leave a link in the description for that. I find this bigger, smaller cheat very useful. I use it probably the most when I make gardens to make them look more realistic. Like some plants are smaller or bigger than the others. And often I feel like the rugs don't fit properly. So then I just make the rug smaller, or you can make it bigger. And sometimes the decor is just too big or too small. Or I could just make this into a baby bookshelf if I wanted to do that. And if you want, you can even have a large toilet in the backyard. It actually works. No, what? Okay, it doesn't work. I lied. Okay, let's just see if the smaller one works, because I remember that it worked. This worked! Look at that. Jeffrey relieving himself in a tiny, tiny toilet. And sometimes we just want to see that, right? Thank you for watching this video. Hope I see you again soon.